Future growth is going to come about through, I think, staying on top of technology. Certainly we see the integration of technology now into products is one of the most fastest changing areas of what we do with that. The other aspect, I think, is, we're a company that very much is around customized engineering solutions. So how we can use that technology and integrate that in to help solve our customers' problems is, where we will get traction on the ground and get most of our growth. Customization, actually, it's a terminology a bit like innovation. It can be quite broad. It can be as simple as just branding a product so it appears as though, it was done by the customer or it's their ownership. So it can just be image and branding that really customizes something. Or it can be right to the extreme of adapting technology to how that customer wants to use it. There's things happening now with adaptive manufacturing where you are going to be able to build extremely customized product now for the prices that require mass manufacturing. So in the future, it's not going to be about who can mass manufacture quantity at the cheapest price. It's who's going to be able to deliver a product and service that fits that customer. It meets their requirements 100%, not just 80 or 90%, and they have to accept it. It's going to be the customer is going to be more demanding about what they want. They'll have the ability to get on, they have it now actually, to get on the internet and search the world and find the best of everything and say, I want this now in one product, and you're going to have to be able to deliver on that if you want to keep that customer. The other area I see certainly rapid change, I see it in the Australian market, I assume hopefully we'll find that in other markets as well, is this need to be able to service the customer. The days are gone where the customer comes to you to get their product and service. You must be much more now proactive in getting out there, servicing the customer and making sure that you go to the customer and make their life as easy as possible for them. Varley's has come to the United States with a specific goal of establishing ourselves in the aerospace and defence market and growing in that market. When I first took over running Varley's, our skill level was very low, and I became very conscious that to keep surviving as an engineering business, we had to get smarter and we had to up our skills. So I think a lot of our future growth is going to come about, us getting more and more, technologically capable, and then how we adapt and use that technology in different markets. If you look at Varley's, we operate in different, there are different divisions within the company, but they're set up around specific markets and what we service. But we do take what we learn from each one and cross-fertilise into the other, and the one that offers us, I think, the best growth potential is where we're going to get the greatest future technology gain from, and at the moment I do see that from the technology that's driven from the aerospace and defence markets.